You're driving a car that has a diesel engine. What can a loose filler cap on your fuel tank cause? It can improve your vehicle's fuel consumption. It can increase the level of exhaust emissions. It can make the road slippery for other road users. It can make the engine difficult to start. What's the minimum time gap you should leave when following a vehicle on a wet road? 4 seconds. 1 second. 2 seconds. 3 seconds. You're driving along this road. What should you do if the red car cuts in close in front of you? Drop back to leave the correct separation distance. Flash your headlights several times. Give a long blast on the horn. Accelerate to get closer to the red car. What must you do when the amber light is flashing at a pelican crossing? Give way to pedestrians waiting to cross. Stop and wait for the green light. Stop and wait for the red light. Give way to pedestrians already on the crossing. What will happen if you follow this vehicle too closely? Your fuel consumption will be increased. Your engine will overheat. Your brakes will overheat. Your view ahead will be reduced. You're traveling at the legal speed limit. What should you do if the vehicle behind approaches quickly, flashing its headlights? Accelerate to make a gap behind you. Maintain your speed to prevent the vehicle from overtaking. Allow the vehicle to overtake. Touch the brakes sharply to show your brake lights. When should you use your vehicle's horn? To greet other road users. To allow you right of way. To signal your annoyance. To alert others to your presence. What should you do to avoid fuel spillage? Check that you've used a locking filler cap. Check that your fuel gauge is working. Check that your filler cap is securely fastened. Check that your tank is only 3/4 full. What should you do if you're being followed by an ambulance showing flashing blue lights? Accelerate hard to get away from it. Maintain your speed and course. Brake harshly and stop well out into the road. Pull over as soon as it's safe to do so. Are revision questions the same as the real official test questions? Please note, this is a driving test success question. Revision questions are the same as test questions. Test questions are copied from revision questions. There is no difference between them. Revision questions will be worded differently.